Guys, Luis here from Motion Auto Works. We have this 2001 NB2 Mazda Miata with a crank no start. What we first did is have a cheap scanner from AutoZone. It had a P0462 code, I believe, which is for the fuel pump. Before you go straight to the fuel pump, you're gonna wanna go ahead and go to the front. So on these cars, the fuel pump relay is under the dash. Make sure your relay is good. You could go to the diagnostic port right here, and you could jump these two pins, this one and this one, and you should hear a click. If you don't hear a click, you might want to check out your relay. I heard a click, so we're not even going to go ahead and check that. Another way to check the fuel pump as well is when you crank it, pull out this hose right here. When you crank it, you should see fuel coming out. If you do have fuel coming out and you still have a crank no start, you might want to check your fuel pressure. All right, guys, so we just acquired the part, Delphi fuel pump, only one they had, so that's what we're gonna use. So we went ahead and just took everything out from the back. It's pretty simple. It's like 2 screws on each side if you have the little wind deflector, and then you can just pull the carpet up. Then there's gonna be Phillips heads on that cover. Then the fuel pump is also just Phillips heads. We went ahead and got the new fuel pump. We're gonna go ahead and install it right now. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and test it out now. We have the new pump in. It might take a little bit to start. On these NB2s, there's really no way of priming it besides cranking it. So here we go. Just like that, turns on like a dream.